ओके तुमची मीटिंग आशिल्ली कसली मीटिंग आशिल्ली
आम्ही बेसिकली काम रिव्यू करताले ongoing various programs of the party, and after reviewing that we have also chalked out certain programs for the future also. So basically the coordination committee was to take the stock of what is happening and what we need to do and how to move forward and what are our activities in the coming days to come.
Okay, activities party meetings or assembly booth constituency campaign.
Yes, it's all in one. So we are also launching that Lok Jagruti Abhiyan on the price. So we were discussing on that also, which is being launched from 17 at 19 different constituencies on the same day. So which will continue for a week. So thereafter several other programs also we have chopped out. Our plan is to, as per original thing, that we may go and file a charge sheet also in this government, because this last 10 years this government has done enough atrocities on Goa. People have suffered enough, and so we are planning to file the charge sheet on this government with the support of the people of Goa.
So गिरीश काल एक कलंगूट मीटिंग जाली पळय ओपोज जालो की ते आमदाराचे अगेन्स्ट कितें एक्झॅक्टली कितें जालें
कालची मिटिंगेक इट वॉज बेसिकली चिदंबरमजी and Dinesh started they are visiting the various blocks to talk to them, to listen to them, because we have made our blocks as the center, and our leaders also are trying to empower the blocks so that block takes the decisions, everything related to the elections. One of the speaker had raised this issue of Michael Lobo, that's all, and our leaders have responded to that. That it is the block that have to take a call on the shortlisting of the candidates and all that.
So that remains the same. Blocks will take a decision on the decision of the candidate along with your leaders.
They will recommend and they will be consulted, and that is what all the blocks were told. Both the blocks in Kalangpur and Benjim were told same thing.
Is Michael on way to join Congress?
I don't know. I know only that he is the minister in the BJP cabinet, and he is the member of BJP, and he was elected on BJP. Only that much I know about Michael Lobo. I don't know anything more than that. Only I am hearing it and reading it on your newspapers.
Any time approach you, sir? Can I approach Kala, Michael Lobo?
No, I've not met him, nor I've got any application pending before us. Whatever application pending before us, we just forward it to the High Command.
Will you welcome him?
Right now, how he is the minister in the cabinet? How we can welcome somebody who is already in the cabinet?
But Girish Babu, minister thingas, but he is canvassing. It looks like as if he is canvassing for your Congress leader in Marksa, like Sudhir Kandolkar. He has openly said that I will see we get him elected.
So as I told you, many of BJP's Karyakartas want to defeat BJP, and many of them want to support our candidates. This is welcoming. Anyone who is coming and supporting our candidate, and support may come from any other. We are the political party. Many Karyakartas are in touch with BJP, who are fed up with BJP, who has contributed to build this BJP. They are today ignored because entire BJP leadership is focusing on corruption, making money, and they are ignoring their Karyakartas. The Karyakartas want to teach lesson to BJP, and that's why they want to support our candidates. It's a welcoming sign. Okay. Anybody in the BJP want to support Congress, that itself shows such a level.
आणि जर ब्लॉक अपोज करता जाल्यार तुमी
Arey Baba, he is already in BJP. We have no application pending. Can you see any application pending here?
What if he tomorrow resigns as
And
an MLA?
What if there are so many, if all MLAs resign, then what will do? All BJP MLAs resign, then what will do?
Okay, Carl, yesterday, going to the captain, he has said that he also feels that MGP and Congress should come together in the interest of Goa to keep BJP out. What is your opinion about that? And he's trying hard to get Goa.
I feel what he expresses is the desire of the people of Goa. That's what people of Goa think, that this BJP should be out. And we have also already started working in uniting all the people to defeat BJP in Goa.
Uniting all people or uniting parties which are against the BJP?
Basically, uniting people is a big task. The parties will fall in place moment people are against. Or we unite the people, the parties falls in place because party depends on the people.
alliance सेटअप किया था alliance
On alliance, we are with NCP. I had a meeting
Yeah.
with the NCP president already, and the talks are on with various other groups also.
This one often is another question. I get tweet I know I'm asking from TMC nominating former Chief Minister of Royal ex-Congressman Rizin Palero to Rajya Sabha.
What TMC do, I think it's none of our business actually to react on that, what TMC is doing, whom they are appointing. But only one statement that Dinesh ji and myself has said that he has taken a retirement package, and if it is true what you are saying, that means what Dinesh ji and we have said that Mr. Falero has taken retirement package by resigning from Congress and joining TMC. That has come true.
Okay, thank you.
Chidambaram sir, yesterday CM had
Addressing
tweet.
the press, I'll call the
CM
press.
had tweet on
Thank you, thank you.
Salman Khurshid sir.
Thank you, I said. I am addressing the press, I'll call the press.
Council,
Thank you.
only one question.
No, no, no.
Only Aam Aadmi Party, they have
Thank you, thank you.
caste-based and religion-based politics. How do you see that?
See, every political party has got their own strategies and own way of working. But to use caste and religion as a way of attracting votes in such a blatant manner, I have not seen anywhere. So I think this exposes the Aam Aadmi Party as to what kind of politics it does. And it's a blatant exhibition of casteism and using caste and religion as a tool to gain strength and gain votes. I think it's completely wrong, and it's going to backfire badly. And it has exposed AAP totally that they are a party with a hollow agenda, and their intention is not development of Goa or the development of the people of Goa. It's just somehow to win, somehow to get votes. So it is a totally, I completely oppose this kind of approach to politics.
But the same Samaj has welcomed that decision, sir.
I'm not saying that is a different issue. I'm not going into that.